Today at Berg Chilling, we've brought about 22 students to explore and learn about all the aspects of trades in the workplace, but also to visit a manufacturing facility.
What we're doing here is we're gaining experience, help promote our careers or kickstart them.
The tour was amazing. Learned a lot of stuff about how they go from scratch all the way to a finished product which they can use for like real life scenarios from ice rinks, and it's really cool how these applications can impact their lives every day.
Really gave a fantastic new perspective for us to see how trades actually work and how these people spend years of their lives working on some quite important and very impressive projects.
I didn't really have an idea of what I want to do in the future. I just know I kind of want to go engineering, and like this showed me I could do so much with engineering. It's like, oh wow, that's crazy.
I do want to thank Berg for this opportunity and allowing our students from Agincourt, from Scarborough, to see what the workplace is all about, and for our students to have their eyes open to what manufacturing is all about.